The equation of a curve is such that the second derivative is equal to 6x square plus p, where p is a constant. The curve has a minimum point at 2 and 3 and minus 2 and 3. Find the coordinates of other stationary points of the curve. Now if you integrate this part, you will get the first derivative. So dy divided by dx is equal to 2x cube plus px plus the constant of integration. Now you have to put 2 and negative 2 in this x. So 2 into 2 cube plus p into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Why is 0? Because stationary points can only be found if you put the derivative equal to 0. Now for negative 2, 2 into negative 2 raised to power 3 plus p into negative 2 plus c equals to 0. Now this is 16 plus 2p plus c equals to 0, and minus 16 minus 2p plus c equals to 0. Now if you add these both equations, you will get these will cancel out, these will cancel out, and only thing that will remain is 2c equals to 0, c equals to 0. So c is equal to 0. Now if you take the original equation 16 plus 2p plus 0, because c is equal to 0, so this will also be equal to 0. 16 plus 2p equals to 0, p equals to minus 8. We have found the value for p. Now dy by dx is actually 2x cube minus 8x, because p is equal to minus 8. Now if you take an integral of this equation, you will get the original equation in the form of y. So y is equal to half x raised to power 4 minus 4x square plus constant of integration, let's say it is d. Y is equal to, let's put y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. Let's use this coordinate. So 3 is equal to half into 2 raised to power 4 is 8. So 8 minus 16 plus d. So d is equal to 11. Now we have to put this first derivative to 0 again. So dy by dx is equal to 2x cube minus 8x equals to 0. Now from here if you take 2x common, so 2x into x minus 4. Now x minus 4 can be written as 2x remains same, x minus 2 or x plus 2 equals to 0. X is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 2. Now we already have the stationary points for x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2. We have to find the stationary point for x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0 back into this equation, this part will be 0, this part will be 0, y is equal to d and d is equal to 11. So for 0, y is equal to x. So the third stationary point is 0 and 11.